Yep, ground circulation.
There it is.
There it is.
Tornado.
Tornado. Tornado on the ground.
Woo!
Is that Selden?
Selden, yes. I don't know if my live stream is working. No one's coming on. I don't know if it's even like have enough internet to do it.
Woo!
What a beauty.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow, she's really ripping too.
It's about to get all this inflow right over here. My word. About to be a thick boy.
Wow, she's growing.
Indeed.
This is a long river.
Holy. That guy's coming towards.
Can you guys see my stream pretty well, viewers?
My God.
Still? Wow.
How close is it to that town?
It's getting close.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's getting close to town.
Oh yeah, she's growing.
It's on the ground.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh.
It's about to turn into a wedge in like seconds.
Oh.
Holy.
Wow. Debris.
Debris.
We got debris.
Is it in that town?
There's debris.
Yep. Something big just got lofted. Yep. Houses are. I don't know if it's houses or what, but something's getting lofted.
Is that multiple vortices?
Yep. That was multiple vortices. Whoa. Man.
More debris. Oh my gosh.